Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about the German articles which are der, die and das. In German we use all these articles for denoting different genders. For example, we use masculine, which is denoted by der, and the next is feminine, which is die, and the next is neuter, das, which means all the genders have their different articles, der, die and das. We'll talk all this in details in the next slides. But I want to give you one suggestion. Whenever you learn German, learn all the words with their articles. So first comes is der, masculine. All the things which behave in männlich as a character use der as the article. For example, der Mann, der Lehrer. And the next characteristic is, for defining all the directions, you can use der as the article. For example, Süden, Norden, Osten, Westen, Südwesten, which means to define the direction, you can say der Norden, der Westen. The next characteristic comes is seasons of the year. Whenever you are talking about the seasons of the year, you can use der as the article. For example, der Sommer, der Herbst, der Winter, der Frühling. The next comes is the days of the week. Whenever you want to talk about the days of the week, you use der as the article. Der Montag, der Dienstag as of example, but comes all the days under the category of masculine with the article der. And the week and the months of the year, for example, der Januar, der Februar, all can be defined using masculine category der as the article. So now comes one of the important thing, means ending. These are some of the hints which help you determine if the article is masculine, feminine or neuter. So there are different endings for all these articles. You just have to remember. We'll see first ending, for example, is ant, which means whenever you see ant at the end of the word, that means they belong to the masculine category. They come with the der as article. For example, der Laborant, which means lab worker. Der Laborant. And you see there is ending ant. And the next example is der Diamant. Der Diamant, which means diamond. And the next ending comes is ling. For example, der Frühling, which means spring. Der Neuling, newcomer. So these endings help you determine to which category they belong. And the next one comes is feminine. In this we are going to talk about the things which belong to the female as a character, or all the things which are weiblich Personen. For example, die Frau, which means the woman, der Lehrerin, which means the teacher, the woman teacher. And the next, whenever you want to talk about the motorcycle brands, for example, Honda, Kawasaki or Yamaha, they all come under the category of feminine and denoted with the article die. And the next characteristic of the article comes is names of the ships. Whenever you want to talk about the different ships with the name Titanic, Queen Elizabeth or so on, all you can define with the Titanic, the Queen Elizabeth. And the next one is the name of the cigarettes. Whenever you want to talk about the articles of the cigarette, you use die. For example, Camel, the Camel, the Marlboro, the Marlboro. And the next comes is the endings. like we spoke about the der as article. Now these are the endings which help you determine which belongs to the or feminine articles. So we'll see. First is ENZ. For example, the word is the efficient, which means efficiency. The conference, which means conference. And the next ending is Schaft. For example, die Wirtschaft. Die Mannschaft means team. The next is Heit, means die Gesundheit, which means health. Die Einheit, which is unity. And the next is die Gewohnheit, which means habit. And the next comes is Keit. For example, die Möglichkeit, the possibility. Die Tätigkeit, the activities. And the next we'll talk about the Neuter, the article das. In this, whenever you want to talk about the name of the colors, you can use das as the article. For example, blau means blue, das Blau, or rosa rot, the pink red, das rosa rot. And the next is the endings which help you determine neuter articles, means das. For example, chen at the end, das Hähnchen, chicken, the Baumchen, little tree. And the next is ment. For example, das Apartment, flat, das Parlament, Parliament. And the next ending is das Studium, der degree course, das Datum, date. Next is nis, das Ergebnis, means results, das Zeugnis, certificate. For more videos and more facts, please subscribe to this channel.